You want to feel good in your home. After all, it's your haven, your refuge. So, how do you keep out uninvited guests that you can't see, but that you sure can smell? Newer homes are well insulated and airtight, making you feel snug and safe. But that can trap airborne particles, stuff that's hard to see like pollen and dust. The ultraviolet air purifier with air bright odor absorption from Honeywell works in your duct system to help reduce odors from cooking, pets, and other common sources, as well as harmful gases from things like cleaning chemicals, new carpet, and paint. While you go about your day, the powerful ultraviolet light helps eliminate contaminants in your heating and cooling system, like the surface mold that's on your air conditioning coils. And you won't even know it's there. Ask your contractor about how you can start breathing easier. For more information or to find a contractor in your area, check out yourhome.honeywell.com. Start enjoying cleaner, fresher air with the ultraviolet air purifier featuring air bright odor absorption from Honeywell. Honeywell, leader in home comfort and indoor air quality.